This video I want to show you a very interesting way that we used packaging to triple the profits on one of our e-commerce products. And as you'll see, it's simply applicable to you and your products too. Now, if you like this kind of information from helping you make more money online, be sure to give this video a like. That way I'll know you want more information like this. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you've got any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll answer them personally for you. With that being said, let's go. I think this can of dog food, which I purchased from Germany, made in Ireland. But whenever I do research, I just go and buy fucking everything. So I just brought 25 different competitors' products, whatever it was. Anyway, so this is one of them. Can of dog food. I think it was $3.50, something like that. Okay, that's one. Next, dog food. Well, this one comes in a big jar, like a jam jar. Yeah, so it's not in a can, it's in a jar now. Probably the same stuff inside, but this one's in a jar. Yeah, do you think this one's going to be cheaper or more expensive? Would it be cheaper or more expensive? But different packaging, different perception of quality. Yeah, okay. So whatever the price is, what you've thought about that for you. All right, now this jar is smaller, okay? It's a smaller jar. Which is more expensive, the smaller one or the bigger one? The smaller one or the bigger one? It actually is a similar price, okay? That's interesting, yeah? Smaller packaging, same price. And you thought same price too, which is a perception around quality over quantity. That's what that is, okay? Interesting. There is no right or wrong answer. It's just how we're hardwired to think about shit. All right, last one, I'll just cover what that is a jar. It's a different kind of jar. My dogs have actually eaten this now, so I do apologize. But as you can see, this has got one of those kind of sexy little lids on it like that, and it opens up, and inside it's the jar, and it's got that nice little rubber thingy there. Got that nice little seal on it, so I can see it like that. So which one's more expensive? The new jar or the little jar? New or little? Which one's more expensive? New jar, mason jar. Well done. New jar. Why? Because packaging matters, okay? So if I want to put myself into the same pit, the same pool of products as everybody else, I put my product into a tin and I save money because it is cheaper to put things in a tin. I put my products into a tin, okay? If I want to maximize my profits, I put my products into something very unique and different. And the preconditioning, because it is probably preconditioning, you're right, that we have been subjected to since we could think about this sort of shit, takes over, and we then start believing, rightly or wrongly, that one is better than the other. One is better quality, one is better for our dogs, okay? So depending on who you are, that's either going to be important for you or it's not going to be important for you, okay? But that little thing hopefully has given you some things to think about with regards to the packaging of your products. Now, one last thing about that. If I was selling a piece of electrics, because maybe you're thinking, well, it doesn't matter for my frigging products. If I was selling, what's that, a USB-C hub for that Mac just there, if that arrived just in a plastic bag, that would be one thing, yeah? But if I put that into a box like Amazon does, like Apple does, this from Apple is 119 euros. So what's that in dollars? About 150 bucks, something like that, okay? USB-C hub for Apple Mac computer, $150 from Apple, because it comes in a nice box. USB-C hub from Belkin or from any of those other kind of Chinese manufacturers arrives in a tin equivalent, just a plaggy bag, Therefore, 40 bucks. Which one's right? Which one's wrong? Well, they're both right. They're both right for a market. But just know this, there's a reason that Apple is on its way to being a $3 trillion company and everybody else isn't. Okay. There's a reason that they're on their way to being a $3 trillion company, because they think about that sort of stuff. If you want to make yourself a lot of money too, you need to think about it. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We've got over 2,500 members and growing. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia. And if you'd like to find out more about what we do, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au, and I will see you on the next video. Until then.